Simba, what are you doing? What are you doing? Where did you climb? How did you climb up? नीचे आओ. Whose parcel? Hey baby, whose parcel is it? किसका है? किसका parcel है? मम्मा का? Yes. Okay, that means it's yours. आपका है? Hi Simba. What else? What else, Mama got? Okay. चलो get down. नीचे आओ, नीचे आओ. Come down. चलो get down. Show me how you climbed, Simba. How did you climb up? Okay.
Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. And this video is all about the safety of your little humans in family. And recently we have bought this Baby Hug 3-in-1 convertible car seat for our toddler. He is officially a toddler now, so that's the reason he will be moving from his newborn car seat to the toddler car seat. So come on, let's unbox this and see what is there inside. To secure those miles after miles, it is important to keep your baby and the passengers in the car safe. So for the baby specifically, it is recommended that you always use a car seat. We think that we may handle them or carry them on our laps or between our arms very safely tucked in. But at times during accidents or anything, sudden emergency brakes are applied, it is a difficult thing to handle your own self and the baby together. So it is advised that you always use a car seat for your babies till the age of 7 years at least, as per Dubai government rules. So this is a user manual which was there attached to the belts, and there was this QR code scanner which we did, and then there we found a video on installing the car seat in your car. So let's see the cushioning. We were together, Yashvi, that is one Yashvi's hand and that is mine. We were touching and feeling the car seat, how soft it is and all. Also now Yashvi was exploring this hook so that we buckle up the baby, and then how is the procedure and all he was trying to see, which I found it a bit hard. Now this is a headrest which I really liked because this is a simple setup, and it can go up and down according to height of the child sitting in the car seat, and then the side cushions were very thick. These are the belt levels. Okay, so there are 3 levels as you can see. So as the baby grows, you can adjust the levels of the belts, and here you can remove the car headrest of the baby and you can put it back. It is very simple. The assembly of the car seat is very simple. And this red color thing is the lever of the car seat for it to recline. Now in this particular model there is 3 level of reclining. You just have to pull this lever a bit ahead and the car seat reclines. Now again I found this a bit hard, and then it was not very smooth functioning, but it's okay as we usually put him on the second level of the car seat, and we don't usually move the levels of the car seat. For him, if it is reclined, it is much safer because the baby is put inside like a concave like thing, and the baby is resting safely in the car seat, which I personally feel. You can also try similar to put your car seat in a level 2 position and just see how the baby feels. Now let's tuck in Simba, and this is how you do it. You have to get together the two buckles or the belts, and then you have to buckle it up in the front pocket like this. This is a tedious task to do, but you have to do it very properly and then check if you have done it properly. And this is how you tighten the belt. Okay, there is a button you have to press down, and if you pull this belt, it will tighten up. See the baby hug thing which you can see near the shoulder of the child, it is tightened. So always keep 4-finger gap also between the chest straps and the baby's chest. Do not make it very tight for the baby, so that this is the reason why the child starts crying in the car seat and he's not comfortable. Always keep a 4-finger gap between the belts and the baby's chest. And see, now you can see he is in a number 2 reclining position. So I'll just straighten it up. This is how it looks when the car seat is properly straightened. So now let's see the reclining position of this car seat in slow motion. So there you can see those triangle like things, 1 2, the red ones, that is 2 level, first level, second level. Okay, now it got stuck between the second and the third level. It should have been a bit smoother, I feel. Maybe the company matters, and we got it in a good deal, so we purchased it. But again, we tried and it came ahead on the level 3 position. And this is a reclining position number 3. When the baby is sleeping, you put it on a third level. And you could see Ashwir is so happy because finally we did the unboxing. The box was lying in the house for a long time and we did it. So now let's see how to install this particular car seat in the car. It's very simple. You just have to place this car seat on your car seat and then there is a belt, right? In every car there is a belt. So you just have to put the belt in this gap, which you can see now. I'm showing you. And for that, what you have to do is you just have to pull the belt out, because you need a length of a belt. So it is recommended first you pull the belt out as much as possible, and then you put the belt from this end and it will come to the other end of the baby car seat. And then once it is over here, you just have to buckle it up tightly, securely, check whether it is fastened or not. Yes, it is done, and now you just have to tighten it a bit. And then the last step is, on the top of your car seat, on the corners, there is a hinge like thing where you had put the headrest. There is a gap which you remember I've shown earlier in the video. This gap I'm talking about, you have to put our car belt into this, and then you have to put it in the corner of the baby car seat like this. And then the last step is to tighten this belt of your car so that the seat is not moving at all. Do check if the baby car seat is moving or not, because it should be fixed firmly and shouldn't be moving. Now this is the levels of the belts. Now you can see one belt is on the third level and one is on the second level. So quickly we will just correct it. For that, what you have to do is just push this belt ahead. It will come in front of the car seat, and then you just put it back on the third level, and then you pull it from the back side this way. And then when both the belts are on one level, you just have to insert this metal holder together so that the belt doesn't move. Friends, one quick request I would like to make is, if you have not yet followed the channel Recipes and Life quickly, just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon on the side so that you get the notification whenever I upload any new video. Do stay connected so that you could enjoy watching different videos, travel vlogs which I post. There is some more about the Simba and the recipes, of course. So there we are done fixing our belt with the correct levels, and you can see this is a loosened belt. Okay, so if you have to tighten up, you just have to press the button and pull the string which is in the front so that the belt is tightened when your baby is tucked in the car seat. So come on, let's see if Simba was comfortable. Yeah, he seems to be enjoying his car seat a lot. It is so cozy that he had a good nap when we were driving. And this headrest was very comfortable and soft, and you can see how well the baby was protected. This is the rate, that is 264 AEDs currently, but as I mentioned, we got it in a deal, so we got it for 150 AED. The tip here is to buy things during the offers or the seasons, like there is a Dubai festival or there are Ramadan offers going on, so that is the time you can purchase so that we get it in a good offer. And these are the memories where Simba was sitting in his newborn car seat. I just got this clip, so just thought of sharing with you all. So newborn car seats are usually with the handle so that it can be carried anywhere, especially when you're going for the vaccinations. That is more frequently when the baby is very small, so that time it becomes very handy. And I just used to love this newborn car seat too. So friends, I hope you all got some information about the car seat and the parts and how to install it in your car with the help of the seat belt. I will see you all in the next coming video. Do stay connected. Till then, take care friends. Subscribe to the channel now if you have not yet joined the channel. More informative and interesting videos I will be uploading ahead. See you all in the next video. Take care.